What's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm doing this on mobile because it's a lot easier. And I'm also on the sauna. So. Alright, so we're looking at AGTC for tomorrow. Closed very nicely, albeit on low volume, but I think this has been an easy ad for us. Been calling this at 0.38. So, it's been setting up very nicely here. Pull up the 4-hour chart. This is just setting up beautifully for coming sessions. I think this is really ready for a bigger move, in my opinion. I think it'll at least get to 60 cents. That's where the last offering was done, and as you can see, the price plummeted well below 60 cents. We're looking at that 3.7 support. But yeah, this looks pretty much clear for 50 to 60 cents. This is an easy ad for us today, and it closed really nicely in after hours there. All right, moving on to GFAI. GFAI was one I was calling at 28 cents on the dips. Below 28 cents was an easy buy. But yeah, so this is definitely, it closed very nicely in after hours here, as you can see. What did we close at on this candle? I think we closed at, I don't think that's right. Let's check here. 1 minute. Yeah, we closed at roughly 35 in after hours, 0.35. So that to me was a very bullish close. Above 33 or 33.5 was the support that it had to hold, and it closed well above that. And as you can see, it's kind of trying to at least push the flag above 35 cents. So this, I think, will easily follow HLBZ, another penny stock that ran like 50 cents to like 2+ or something crazy like that. So definitely looking at GFAI for a bigger move here. I really loved how this closed. I talked about this in my last video. I hope people got in early and aren't chasing the spikes, because I put these on your radar super early, and they're very easy trades. So this one is definitely setting up for a bigger move, in my opinion. Could easily follow HLBZ. Not much else to say. I mean, I think it's an easy mover to 40 cents, mid 40s. Potentially higher than that. With the way HLBZ ran there, I think the market's going to be looking for another big penny stock that they can pump over $1. So it's quite possible that this could go over $1 as well. We'll have to see how this plays out. But I definitely am looking for a 100% move at this point, especially with HLBZ and how that ran today. So definitely looking good. So AGTC and GFAI are my top watches. I've got some other stocks on here that I'll talk about. SPCB I talked about in the last video. It may follow GFAI if GFAI is up enough. And then we can take a gander at CTIB. Closed very nicely today. I think it's just a matter of time for this one. I've been talking about it, and I personally think we will get a bigger move. We'll talk about it more once it breaks over $1. It definitely has the potential to run to $2, $3, and higher. As you can see on the monthly chart, it has been consolidating very nicely. It looks about ready here, so we are going to see how this can run. I think easily it gets to $1.50, and then you can look for that higher, that top Bollinger Band on the monthly, which would be about high 2s to $3. And then, above that could hit 4 or more. We'll see what the volume brings and how much volume there is. And then another one I'm looking at, Bond. Very, very undervalued stock here. Where is Bond? Where are you? Am I blind? That must be. There we go. Yeah, so Bond. I don't know how Bond is trading so fucking low, but to me, this is still setting up bullish. DI line's still bullish. We closed with a really strong RSI there, so it's definitely just been getting loaded in this trend. You can see on the 4-hour, it just continues to get loaded. That's stop hunt. Definitely got loaded there. So I mean, this has been in a really nice trend. I'm obviously looking for a bigger move off of a BNSO. Both very undervalued China stocks. So this is going to be one that's going to be a high watch for China play. Something that could really triple or quadruple in price. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. We'll see what the market brings tomorrow. And I kind of have to see what my scans are like tomorrow to see if there's anything super cheap that we can add. But those are the main ones. You know, I've been calling AGTC at 38 cents and GFAI at 28 cents. I hope people are up on those. Those are looking really good for the next sessions. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to end it there. Take care.